If you're getting the A process has crashed UE-PAL error in Palworld, along with unhandled exception or exception_access_violation, don't worry. Before making this video, I looked through Steam community discussions, Reddit posts, and common Unreal Engine troubleshooting methods, where many players reported facing this exact crash after an update or while launching the game. After reviewing those discussions, I found several fixes that worked for many players. So in this video, I'll walk you through them one by one. Make sure you watch until the end, because the solution that works for one player may be different from the one that works for you. Let's get started. The first thing you should try is launching the game using DirectX 12. Open Steam and click Play on Palworld. If Steam gives you two launch options, select Play Palworld DirectX 12 instead of the normal launch option. If the game launches successfully, you're good to go. If you're still getting the crash, the next step is to try different launch options. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click Palworld and select Properties. Under Launch Options, first type -DX11. Close the window and launch the game. If it still crashes, remove that launch option and replace it with -DX12. Try launching the game again. If neither works, remove the launch options completely before moving to the next fix. The next solution is to update your graphics driver. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the NVIDIA app and install the latest game-ready driver. If you're using AMD, open AMD Adrenalin software and install any available updates. After updating your graphics driver, restart your computer before launching the game again. If the crash still happens, verify the game files. Open Steam, right-click Palworld, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to finish checking the files and repairing anything that's missing or corrupted. Then launch the game again. If you're still experiencing the same error, try running the game directly from its installation folder. Locate palworld.exe and launch it directly. If that doesn't work, you can also open the Win64 folder and try launching palworld-win64-shipping.exe. If necessary, open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and test running the game in Windows 8 or Windows 7 compatibility mode. If you're still getting the same error after trying everything, let me know in the comments which graphics card you're using and exactly when the crash happens.